What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new, hey, Sharmila here, so nice to meet you. Do subscribe to the channel and join the family. So today I have this huge package from Auric. So I have their Skin Radiance drink. So Auric is an Ayurvedic brand and they have a whole bunch of amazing products and a huge variety of beverages like hot chocolate powder, coffee and health drinks. So this drink has helped me a lot. So when it comes to glowing and radiant skin, it's not always about the skincare or the makeup. Sometimes you have to cleanse your body from within, and Auric is here to help you guys. Their Skin Radiant drinks gives you a natural Ayurvedic glow. It has the goodness of Ayurvedic herbs along with coconut water. It is rich in antioxidants and it has 20 times more vitamin C than orange. It reduces acne and makes your skin clear and glowing. It has 25% daily herbal RDI per bottle and it is a product of India. So I have tried a few Ayurvedic drinks, but I'll be honest with you guys, they tasted and smelled so bad. But this one right here is so different. It smells absolutely delicious and the taste is very mild and subtle.
You need to drink 1 to 2 bottles daily for 30 days.
Guys, look at my skin. It looks so beautiful even on natural lighting. I mean, guys, look at how glow it is. So today I just wanted to, do like a vlog kind of thing. I mean, it is the part of the video. So I'm going to be drinking it today. I do want to talk about a very cool thing about Auric. That is, you can buy their lifetime membership, which I personally have bought for myself, and you will get flat 53% off on all of their cold beverages, which includes this Radiance drink. I will be purchasing more of these. That's why I got the subscription for myself, and I would really recommend you guys to try it out too. And along with the discounts, a membership gift hamper will be delivered to your address with your personalized coupon code and a copper bottle. And the membership is super affordable. So I'm just going to shake it before having it. It contains amla and turmeric, which is really good for skin. And it gives you soft and supple skin with aloe vera and go-to cola. And it is made with 100% natural ingredients and coconut water. I've been having it for a while now, so there is not like this first time taste testing. It tastes really good, just so you guys know. I directly drink it from the bottle. I have around 1 to 2 bottles a day. Tastes so good, guys. You will get the taste of coconut mostly, like it's very mild, like I said. I've been having this for about a month now, and guys, seriously, my skin has changed so much and I feel so fresh. My skin looks so much more refreshed and glowing. And if you guys know me, then you know that I had a lot of acne problems and this one really helped me. I would recommend each and every one of you guys to try this product because it has really helped me a lot, and I want you guys to experience the same feeling of healthy, radiant skin from within. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, do like this video and leave a comment down below. What do you guys think about this product and what video you guys want to see next? Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends and family. The purchase link will be mentioned down below in the description box. Do check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Mwah! Bye. Love you guys.